Hey guys, we're at Hampden Park level crossing East Side. It's Michael and Harvey. Yeah, no. It's my cousin. I gotta do the way. If you watch my channel enough, me and my cousin call this the Brayford crossing. If you watch my channel enough. If Tristan or one of my friends comes in and wrecks my video, I'm absolutely gonna kill him. Should be going off any minute now, we hope. There goes the bus. Nice Audi, now Audi. Told you. Bye, machines! Again. This is brilliant, this view. It's as the sun's really bright, it's really nice the view.
I caught really bad machines yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. Bike I went round the barriers.
A bike?
Yeah, it's a cyclist.
Oh my god.
What that kid did the other day. That one.
The fat one. Please like the video. She's like me and my cousin's insults to people. Oh, that was quick.
What?
171. Here comes Grumpy's.
This is rare actually.
Is it?
It's not really rough. I'm wasted.
Grumpy. Grumpy. I've got those many videos as I can today. Because of
7:30 again, my train. It's the first one I caught.
171, 7:30.
My first train in front of you guys.
There's a random log beer down there.
What's on 7:30?
This is a very special moment for Harvey.
I'm going to be going to New Haven town on Saturday to get some videos done. I might be trained by the 123 a month.
Oh, I'm also going to let you know, once I get my results from my stats, I think you get them, don't you?
Huh?
Don't you get your results from... Once I get my once I get my results, I will let you know how I did. No, me, I'll probably do crap in them, because my like, schoolwork is like,
I'm looking that way, just good for the class. I just like looking that way. Well, it doesn't come in yet anyway.
It's going...
Invitation to where? What? Where do you need for invitation to?
I can't remember what it was, but quite a long time ago, we saw old women doing trains, like, recording.
Yeah, I saw something down here.
Because he's grumpy, that's why.
What?
Because he's a grumpy driver.
Here it comes.
I have a tendency called 171 drivers are grumpy.
We're slowly accelerating. The fish said to take off really quick.
Yeah, I know, I noticed that. Let's see if this one's a grumpy. Is he a grumpy?
Yeah.
He's a grumpy.
I saw 7:30, my first train.
Grumpy! And
at Brighton.
we're staying. And
Yeah,
we're...
we are staying. But what we only are for?
Where?
What?
Where?
I don't know. Could be a 313.
Oh, it's malfunction.
Of course, there's two idiots down there.
Oh, God. This is where, isn't it? This is where?
Oh, Man United top. You're a legend, man. Yes.
Well,
On that, over on the washing line.
my cousin spots
I've
me.
been coming the other way. I'm 3 minutes 26 now. Right, that's gone.
This could be where trained.
That could be my function.
Or it could be malfunction, yes. If it is, this video's going to go on for like 10 minutes.
Oh, what would you do if it was a freight train? Oh my god.
What's a fake train?
Well, it carries like goods in that, like wood.
I'll cry.
Like, it's the car 73.
If you see my phone suddenly drop, it's because I fainted.
What a chat.
No, if you see my phone really zoomed into the track, I fainted and I've dropped my phone on the track.
It's green signal that way, so I could have a train coming from somewhere. I thought I went out 57.
Oh, there he comes. What's your video on?
4 minutes, 20.
Mine's on like 5 minutes, I mean.
Actually, I'll be stopping now as well. Probably have no choke on the East one.
Oh god, it's not. It better not be a 5-train mandate because this is like 5 minutes as it is, and I've only recorded 2 trains.
4:34. Yeah, but to be fair, you start your video really quite early.
Well, yeah, so I don't get a late one.
Well, no, as soon as the ambulance starts, I just go to that. Stop it, and that's just for certain.
377 470.
Ryan. This is 747
And up they go. Thank you guys. See you next video.